Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to discover the perfect umbrella that combines style, convenience, and reliability? Well, look no further because today I'm thrilled to introduce you to custom automatic folding umbrellas. Can you guess the price of this custom umbrella? We will reveal the answer at the end of the video, but for now, let's straighten a result. First off, let's talk about its push-button automatic opening feature. With just a simple press, this umbrella swiftly activates and opens, allowing you to shield yourself from unexpected downpours while traveling. No more struggling with manual umbrellas in the pouring rain. But here is the best part. The custom automatic folding umbrella comes with a printed storage bag that adds a touch of personalization to your travels. You can choose from a wide range of designs, patterns, or even customize it with your own logo or artwork. It's like having an umbrella that truly reflects your individuality. Not only is this umbrella stylish and personalized, but it's also incredibly convenient. It folds down to an ultra-compact size, making it a perfect fit for travel bags, briefcases, handbags, and even glove compartments. It's designed to be your go-to companion for any travel application. And let's not forget about the hook and loop fastener. It ensures increased portability, allowing you to securely fasten the umbrella when not in use. No more worrying about it accidentally opening up and causing inconvenience. So, whether you are an adventurer seeking a reliable companion for your outdoor escapades or a business professional looking for a personalized and convenient umbrella, the custom automatic folding umbrella has got you covered, quite literally. If you are ready to upgrade your umbrella game and make a statement with your style, click the link in the description below to get your very own custom automatic folding umbrella today. That wraps up this video, and the cost of our custom umbrella is $9. Additionally, we offer 4 print-on-demand umbrellas, with the highest price being $10. In our next video, we will be showcasing custom license plate frames. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest news.